And welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes. Okay, I thought I was going to do like a step-by-step tutorial on how I do save in dollars using Piggyvest account, right? So let's do that real quick. So this is my phone interface. So what I do is I download the Piggyvest application. In case if you don't have it, you can download the Piggyvest application through your Play Store. And if I venture you use the iPhone, for the iPhone users, also check your store and then download it. So what I do is I just download it. So it's already downloaded on my phone. Do you get? So I just open it up and then it open. So in case you're a new user, please, I will encourage you to, use my, I'm going to put a link directly under this video. I'm going to put a link on the video. That link, when you click on it, you'll be able to use me as your referrer. You'll be able to use my code as a referral code, and that is also a good way to earn from Piggyvest. Alright, so what I do is that I just come here. This is my recent savings, so let's not look at it. It's not too much. So what I do is I come here and then you set it up, and then you come to this see, you're going to see this. So what you do is like you come to flex dollar. So when you come to flex dollar, can you see flex dollar? This is currently what I've saved as respect to dollar. This is my dollar account. So there are different options there. You can save in dollars, transfer to friends in dollars, you can view the interest, you can convert to Naira, and you can pay directly into your local accounts like GT, Sky, all those ones you can do it. So this is my recent transaction when it comes to it. So you can see here that the first time I actually bought a dollar, okay, this was not the first time, but there was a time a dollar was selling for 485 Naira, then it sold for 497 Naira. Then boom, it started selling for 506 Naira. So let's check currently what is the amount for a dollar currently. So an amount for a dollar currently is 506 Naira. So if you want to purchase a dollar using Piggyvest, understand that other applications, it can be different figure. Other applications can give you 500, 490 something. So but for Piggyvest, which we are concentrating on right now, it is 506 Naira for $1. So let me see now. Let us purchase a dollar. So all you just need to do is you just need to like purchase the unit of dollar you want. Since a dollar is 506 Naira, if you put $2, it's going to be 506 Naira times 2. If you put $20, it's going to be 506 Naira times 20. Do you get? So because me and I have plenty money like you that are currently watching this. So my one is just $1. So what I'll just do is $1. Pew! And then I'll tap to preview, and then see $1 costs 506 Naira. So you choose a source of funding. What does that mean? A source of funding means you choose either you want to pick the money from your ATM card, or you want to pick the money from your Piggyvest wallet, other stuff. So I currently have 2 different ATM cards that I linked my application with. So I'm going to choose this ATM card. This is my Access ATM card. So I'm going to just click on this. I hereby confirm this dollar purchase. I also authorize Piggyvest to debit my selected payment. Do you see? So just create it, and then I let it go. This is network. So awesome. Your request to fund your Flex dollar wallet was successful. Can you see? I just bought a dollar. Like literally, I just bought $1. Now, I've gotten people asking this question a lot, and then they are telling me things like, $2, but if I want to convert to Naira, what happens? To convert to Naira is 493 Naira. So what is the essence of doing that? I'm going to link a video to this video. In that video, I talked about the importance of saving in dollars and not saving in dollars. I talked about that. So basically for me, these dollars that I'm gradually accumulating, like I'm gradually saving, like I'm gradually putting together, I don't have any, what do I call it now? I don't have any interest in, can you see, they already removed it. So I don't have any interest in spending it this year. And that is the truth. I don't have any interest in touching this dollar this year. By the grace of God, the plan I have for it is to touch it by the grace of God 2023. So I have a goal this year to put at least $12. Save at least $12. And then accumulating it like that, like that. So I don't have any goal. I don't have any interest in changing this thing that I'm doing now. I actually want to put it there, and then in a year's time or in 2 years' time, I'm going to want to change it. One of the things I also want to do is that when it gets to $12, by the grace of God, I'm going to lock in. There's also that opportunity for you to lock some funds for a period of time. So I'm going to lock it for 6 months. So I'm going to lock it throughout the whole 2023. Like I said, for 3, I can also put my money. So that is just me telling you my goals and things I want to do. So you can have different goals. But one of the main importance of saving in dollars is because it helps you at least for example now. You can pay to a bank. For example, if you buy something and they say they want you to what's it called now? And they said they want you to pay in dollars. I can just literally just pick whatever I want to do and I just pay for it in dollars here. That's one of the how will I call it now? That's one of the benefits. Instead of having to convert it to naira, I don't need to do that. I will just use my Piggyvest to pay in dollars. There are other applications also you can do. Currently, I'm exploring Toluwakemi. I want to start saving in dollars with Toluwakemi. But I don't have full details about that yet. So this is the one I know. And this is I love to see my money grow on this platform. I love to see my money grow. I love to see it grow. So basically that's what I have currently for now. So in case you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section and definitely going to get around it and I will answer your question. And if you still want much more tutorial videos, hey, yeah, hit me up and let me like explain to you. And please, as much as possible, please, if you've not used Piggyvest before and you just want to start using it now, please use my referral code. Yes, use my referral code. So this is my referral code. Just use you can also do business with referring people to use Piggyvest. See, this is my referral code. So when you refer people, you get 1,000 naira. You get 1,000 naira referral bonus. You get, but this is mine. So you can use my referral code. I'm going to link it. Don't worry, I'm going to link it there. I'm going to link it there. So I'll just use my Piggyvest ID. Toluwakemi. Just put it there, and then you and I just help me make 1,000 naira. So the thing is, you have to refer somebody else to use your code. So do that favor or do that good favor by using my name, Toluwakemi, as one of your referrals, as your referral. Yeah, basically. I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this. I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this. So that is one of the ways by which I use Flex Dollar to save my money. I use it to save my money, and by the grace of God, it's growing. Yes, it's growing. I don't know if it's because the $1 interest, but it's growing. I love to see my growth. At least that way, I'm happy. I'm happy things are moving. I'm happy things are. So there are a lot of things you can actually do on these platforms, but all these investments are not currently available. Don't mind the noise at the background. It is my friend that is trying to disturb us. But I hope you're able to hear me clearly, and I hope you're able to get the things that I explained. Right? So let me know. So yeah, that's it for today. So I have to like close my balance. I didn't want you guys to see my balance again. Don't see my balance. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the subscribe button. You can click the notification button also so that you'll be able to get to know when I release my videos. Alright, so till I come your way next time, thank you so much. My name is Toluwakemi, and it's nice and lovely to have you as a friend, even though we are online, but we're still friends. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you when I see you. Ciao.